This entire video was edited using AI. The rough cut, the cleanup, the captions, even parts of the B-roll workflow. And honestly, this is used to take me hours. Editing probably the most repetitive part of the content creation. You keep rewatching footage, cutting silence manually, removing filter words, organizing clips. And if you are making YouTube videos constantly, it gets exhausting fast. So in this video, I'm going to show you my full AI editing flow and how I use AI tools for video editing to edit videos way faster using Filmora AI Mate. You can get access by type the domains here. Like the slogan, edit like an expert with Filmora AI. And what's the best part is you can get started for free. So you can add effects, you can edit with AI, even you can generate animated charts. And you got to use a pen tool in this software as well. Not to mention dynamic captions and dual timeline editing. Wow, that's so cool. And also like keyframe editing, import subjects, anything you name it. Also, if you are just start your career as a content creator, you can also find some templates and stock media to help you to speed up the process. Music, sound, plugins, filters, stickers even, to add more fun. So in order to experience the whole thing, you need to download this software by click here. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, finally we're in the home of the Filmora. So the big button here is called New Project. And then we have this aspirational choosing tab. And here is some quick buttons, for example, like the text video, add captions, screen recorder, and beneath are some entry points for small apps. So now let's build up our first project. All right, let's demonstrate how it works. So step 1, AI rough cut. This is probably the biggest time saver. Normally, rough cutting takes forever. So first, let's click here, import, and this is our target video. After that, just drag it to the timeline. You can directly add this timeline by using those tools. And also you can find some parameters that you can tweak on the video basic, and you can add a mask. For the audio, you also have many parameters that you can tweak. This is a really professional software. But here is little cute icon called AI Mate. So once you click here, this is our AI Mate, and you got quick templates from here. For example, yeah, now our AI Mate is thinking, and the thinking part is complete. Already been applied. And you can find the timelines changes, right? AI just help us to cut it off. So now when you play, you cannot hear any of the silence or repetitive words.
Going to dive in amazing AI video.
Oh my god, it's so sweet. I cannot imagine if I can meet this earlier. And here is a toggle button. So basically guide is like ask. So if you click guide and you ask the AI Mate, it won't impact the video. It's just like talking to an AI who knows your content. And when you click AI GC, it's meaning that you are asking AI to generate stuff for you. For example, okay, AI asks us to click here and click speech to text. And then let's click create. Now we'll click play.
AI video editing tool, meet Filmora, made by Wondershare.
You got this accurate subtitles. Oh my god. So this is how you add subtitles in Filmora. And let's hover in here and let's click here. Next is structuring the video. This is usually where editing slows down again. You got rearranging clips, adjusting pacing, fixing the timeline structure. But AI Mate helps speed this up too. Instead of digging through manually, I can use it almost like an editing assistant. It helps organize the workflow and make navigating the timeline much faster. Let me demonstrate how. Okay, let's send. I just typed the prompt, please structuring the video, and AI says generate storyboard with smart script. Use your project's concept as the input description. Let's click this button. Okay, after we click the structuring the video, now we have this storyboard. Oh my god, that's so cool, right? So it's totally workable to ask AI Mate to structuring your video. Now let's talk about the B-roll. Finding visuals is one of the most time-consuming parts of the editing. You either search through stock footage forever or spend extra time creating graphics manually. But here, AI can help you to generate visuals and assist with finding relevant assets. So instead of stopping the workflow to hunt for footage, I can stay focused on editing. And honestly, this is one of the biggest workflow improvement for me. Let's try it out. Let's click send. Okay, now it's working. Okay, after we ask our AI Mate to add a B-roll, and this is what we got. Wow, it's so smooth, right? Because we are making a tutorial. Imagine if we are making a movie. How convenient is that, right? But sometimes we got this problem. When we're recording the video, maybe we have a noise background. Audio cleanup is another thing that usually takes way too long. Like the background noise, uneven voice levels, bad recordings. Normally, I need multiple plugins for this, but AI Mate can automatically clean up audio, reduce noise, and enhance the voice. Let me show you how. So just click here, AI Mate, and let's directly ask. And let's click send. Remember, select all the clips that you want to make changes. So right now we're selecting them, and I ask AI to make the voice even and also clean the background noise. Oh, check it out. Now all down background noise has been cleaned and your voice levels are now even across the video. All right, let's play the clip.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Yeah, it's better. And also you can do video enhancement to change the color correction enhancement comparison. For example, like the ask our AI Mate to change the color adjustments, virtual cleanup, shaping. And also you can do timeline editing. Wow, isn't it amazing? Same footage, same ideas, but edit way faster using AI. And honestly, I think AI video editing tools are going to become a normal part of the content creation very quickly. Especially, I love this AI Mate. This is a really cute one and it really helps a lot. So I don't need to familiar with the whole interface, but with the AI Mate, I can do most part. So in a conclusion, I don't think AI replaces editors, but I do think AI removes a lot of the unnecessary manual work, especially for creators who edit frequently. And this video is sponsored by Filmora. If you want to try an AI editing workflow like this by yourself, check it out Filmora AI Mate using the link in the description, especially if you want to edit faster, create more content, and spend less time stuck in the timeline. If you find Filmora is quite interesting and you want to give it a try, don't forget to check the description. I leave the link here and you can download from here. If you find Filmora is quite cool and you want to explore by yourself, don't forget to check the description of this video. I leave some useful link here. You can download from here.
Hey, don't forget to subscribe to James Shee's channel.